Hi, I ordered brand new beauty goodie. Let's unbox. Trust me, it's amazing. So I ordered this from My Glam. So first is this amazing multi-shade bronzer. It's 2-in-1 shade and it's really pigmented. As you guys can see, it's really soft and its pigmentation is amazing. बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है भैया. Thumbs up है भाई इसके लिए. उसके बाद next is this amazing My Glam setting spray, makeup setting spray. And you know, it's not that much good. उतना ज़्यादा glow नहीं देता है, matte finish है. I expected this as a dewy setting spray. 10 out of 10. So if you want another haul, please comment